Hi, YouTubers. It's LaRita with TXC Tells All, and you're here because you want to know how you can make six figures from working from home. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like if you like the content of this video. So, you want to know how to make six figures from working from home, and I'm going to tell you about my personal journey, and perhaps it's something that you can also try in your future. So, my profession actually is an attorney by trade, and I've been an attorney since 2011, and I work 100% from home. I'm actually based in Texas, and I work for a government agency, which is in Washington, D.C. So I'm a long ways from home. Obviously, I can't be in an office every day, and I'm not. Um, Initially, when I worked from home, they required me to come into the office once a week and report and kind of show my face. And then eventually they kind of said, we don't need everybody in the office. I think the rent for the building is expensive and everybody in the office cost them a lot of money. So I took advantage of that, and I've been working 100% remote since 2017. And it came at a perfect time because I had just had a baby and I was coming back from maternity leave, and they said 100% remote work is available. Sign me up. Thank you. And so I did that, moved halfway across the United States to Houston, Texas, and I've been doing it ever since. And so my business partner and I, we went to law school together, Tracy. She'll post content on here as well about her journey, which is different from mine, and there's more than one way to get to the finish line. But she and we started a business last year, and we wanted to kind of share our journeys and what we do and how we can help other people. Aspiring law students, other attorneys, just people who are looking to do other things, other business ventures outside of their normal jobs. Anything under the sun, we're looking to kind of share our journey with you, and to hopefully kind of all get to our goals that we want to get to. So back to working from home. I work from home every day. Well, actually, I work 4 days a week, 10 hours a day, and it's wonderful. I get up in the morning, 5:45. I get dressed, take a shower. What I have on right now is what I usually put on, something casual. I don't wear my pajamas because for me personally, if I wear my pajamas, I'm not going to do my work properly, and I need to be able to keep my job. So I get dressed in the sense that I know that I need to get work done. I need to be focused. I'm actually supposed to be doing something today. I'm dressed for that. I do that every day, although I do also do laundry because the laundry room is 40 feet away. I still make sure that I know that I'm here to work. And so I check emails in the morning, and then I start to triage my day. What's the most important things to do? And then I start to draft decisions for cases and try to get them out as possible into a portal. And then I have a 3-day weekend, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. It leaves me free to do other business ventures aside from my regular job, which also helps me get to my goal of not having to work for the rest of my life. And so I know a lot of you guys want to make six figures, but also want to know, how long do I need to work? And so you can follow my journey on that too, in regards to maximizing my time on my regular job, and then also having my other side hustles going on to see about how I can not have to work for the rest of my life and leave a legacy for my children and be available for events and freedom. And I know people don't want to be bogged down with a job all the time. Although I do love what I do, helping people is awesome. I do not want to work forever. So trying to find ways to do that is important. So Tracy and I will be sharing different information. You can check out the description box to see sponsors that we refer to, or just people or just other organizations that we've encountered in our journey that have helped us be successful. There's more than one way to get to the goal, and so we want to kind of share what we know with you guys. Don't forget, we'll be trying to post weekly. She'll post one week and I'll post a different week, and so you'll get different content from both of us. So don't forget to comment below and let us know what you liked about this video, what you like to see in the future, and we'll try to cater our videos to something that like I said, hits on different audiences and different viewers. And we're here with the YouTube family. We're recording this during the coronavirus, COVID-19. And so we're home just like you're home. But since I'm already working from home, I hadn't had too much a change in my normal business as far as my financials were not affected as some people were. And so this might be a a wide awakening for those of you who kind of want to move from reporting somewhere to working from home, because it's almost recession proof in the sense that I don't have to be at a particular building. I can still get my work done and make some money. So this is a time for you to try new things, things that you never thought you would try. Be brave, step out on your faith, and decide that this is something that you want to do. So, like I said, comment below. Don't forget to hit the like button, and check out Tracy's video. We'll be posting here on TXC Tells All. All right, I'll see you in the next video.